Hello everyone, today our video is based on vitamins. So in this video we have a basic introduction related with vitamins. So first of all we must know that what is vitamins. Vitamins are chemicals. Actually these vitamins are chemicals found in our food. So the word vitamin comes from vita and amine, and that is a Latin term. Vitamins are organic component in food and that are needed in very small amount for growth and also for maintaining good health. So we must eat a certain amount of vitamin to stay healthy. Then these vitamins are chemicals found in many foods. Then here we have the classification of vitamins. The classification of vitamin is mainly based on their solubility, and the vitamins are classified into two. They are fat soluble vitamins and also water soluble vitamins. In fat soluble vitamins, vitamins that dissolve in fat, because fat is easily stored in our body. So fat soluble vitamins can be stored easily. This means they can accumulate and later saved into later use, and they are vitamin A, vitamin D, vitamin E and also vitamin K. Then in case of water soluble vitamins are dissolved in water because our body is a watery environment. So these vitamins can move through our body pretty easily and they can also be flushed out by the kidney. Then water soluble vitamins are include B complex vitamin and also vitamin C. Vitamin C is ascorbic acid. There are 8 B vitamins including vitamin B1, vitamin B2, vitamin B3, B5, B6, B7, B9 and also B12. So next group of vitamin is vitamin C. Vitamin C is ascorbic acid. And our next part is fat soluble vitamins are soluble in fat and water soluble vitamins are not soluble in fat. And fat soluble vitamins are not soluble in water and water soluble vitamins are soluble in water. In case of absorption, in fat soluble vitamins, absorption is along with lipids in the form of chylomicrons, liquid bile salt and pancreatic enzymes. And in water soluble vitamins, absorption is simple, but vitamin B12 is an exception, so vitamin B12 is not simple. Then in carrier proteins, fat soluble vitamins, carrier proteins are present, and in water soluble vitamins the carrier proteins are absent. Again here vitamin B12 is an exception. Then in case of storage, fat soluble vitamins can able to store in liver and water soluble vitamins are not stored. Next one is in case of extraction, fat soluble vitamins are not extracted and water soluble vitamins are excreted within our urine. Then in case of deficiency, fat soluble vitamins are manifested only when they are depleted, and water soluble vitamins have rapid deficiency. In case of fat soluble vitamins, the stored vitamins is used out. When the stored vitamin is used out, so when we see the deficiency, so the stored vitamin is used out, we can able to see the deficiency of the vitamin. And in water soluble vitamins, rapid deficiency is here. So in water soluble vitamins we have a rapid deficiency because not stored, so it shows rapid deficiency and symptoms. In case of toxicity, fat soluble vitamin is hypervitaminosis and vitaminosis, and water soluble vitamin is excess is excreted, and that means hypervitaminosis means when we take excess of vitamins that cause hypervitaminosis. In this case, toxicity, fat soluble vitamins are hypervitaminosis because when we take excess of vitamins that causes hypervitaminosis, and this case excess is excreted. Here excess is excreted. When it is not excreted, it creates toxicity, and when it is excreted, we have no toxicity. Then in case of treatment, in fat soluble vitamins, single large doses may prevent deficiency, and in water soluble vitamins we need regular supply. In case of treatment in fat soluble vitamins, single large doses may prevent deficiency. So when we need a single large amount, so we can overcome the deficiency. Then in water soluble vitamins we need a regular supply. we need to give regular supply of vitamin to cut down the deficiency. So that is the treatment for water soluble vitamins. Vitamins synthesized by bacterial flora are vitamin K, vitamin B1, vitamin B2, vitamin B5 and vitamin B7. In history, Hopkins named vitamins as a necessary factor because as an essential nutrient that we need in our diet. Then another one scientist is Fang. Fang named vitamin. Fang coined the term vitamins. Vitamin means vital amine. Later it was discarded because not all vitamins are amines. Then now here we have a flow chart about vitamins. Vitamins are divided into two categories. They are water soluble vitamins and fat soluble vitamin. Water soluble vitamins are non-B complex vitamin and also B complex vitamin. Non-B complex vitamin mean ascorbic acid, that is vitamin C, and B complex vitamin are 8 types. Then in fat soluble vitamins means vitamin A, vitamin D, vitamin K and also vitamin E. Vitamin A is retinol and beta carotene, vitamin D is cholecalciferol, vitamin K is phyloquinolans and vitamin E is leucopherols. Then these vitamin B complex vitamins are categorized into three main groups. They are grouped into energy releasing vitamins, hematopoietic vitamins and other vitamins. In energy releasing vitamins we have thiamine, riboflavin, niacin, biotin and pantothenic acid. Thiamine is vitamin B1 and riboflavin is vitamin B2 and niacin is vitamin B3 and we have biotin and pantothenic acid. The next group is hematopoietic vitamins. Hematopoietic vitamins include folic acid and vitamin B12. Other vitamins are pyridoxine, pyridoxal and also pyridoxamine. Both these three groups are from vitamin B6.